Yeah, this is 10PA15. You can see the previous one is 10PA17. It was suggested that the 17 is too strong for this car, given that my truck has no cooler box, so the 15 is perfect based on what was told to me. So I followed the recommendation. So now we bought the 10PA15 and now it is installed and it runs smoothly. You can see there's no noise now. Before, as you can hear, here is my old AC compressor, the 10PA17. You see, the one that make a lot of noise. Here it is. Now it's been removed and replaced with the 10PA15. I was told this one is too big, given that my truck has no cooler box, so no need the 17. It's too strong. I observed this one. You see something? It's broken here, and maybe that's why it's noisy. But I was told that the noise is not just because of this. It really comes from the inside. Something from the inside is broken. That's what I was told, and I need to replace it as quick as possible. So now it is done. And as well, they replaced this one too. I don't know how we call this, maybe an AC driver or something like that. Okay, now let's go inside and take a look what else they did. See, no cooler box, and let's take a look. Yeah, here's the AC. See, this is the AC box. It has been taken out and cleaned. This one is AC condenser. It has been taken out and as well cleaned. So everything will put in place and it's working as intended.